the modal craft synthesizer, fully assembled and functioning with the app. We're going to play you a little patch I did in the user section. You get the idea. So, this synthesizer is deep, and it has the most magnificent editor that looks like that, and literally is touch and edit. So, turn up the volume here. The filter. Waveforms in the oscillators. Noise. Very well. Mixing between the two sounds. Right? All at your fingertips. This is an incredible little synth. Now let's listen to some more of the sounds I created here. This is another patch I did. For those of you who just spent all that money on that Moog D reissue, and last but not least, I did another little patch down here, which is kind of freaky. I think it needs a slower envelope. Let's do that right now. Let's see. Like you can invert the envelopes too. There we are. Now it's a regular envelope. Amazing, huh? Just that easy. Much better. The modal craft synthesizer and its beautiful editor that works with the magnificent iPad format, which to my mind, fuck computers. The iPad and this taken into a studio and used as a sound design tool in a dark room where people don't want you to take up a lot of space. Folks, this is where it's at. I'm amazed. Anyway, so with that, yes, be seeing you soon. The Craft Modal Synthesizer. Spectacular.